So you see our .NET 3.5 installation is successful. We successfully install it, and after that, there are some things we need to update Windows, and that's it. So almost. So what we do is going to update in Windows. So go to Windows Update Settings and check for updates. Here it will download all the updates required and it will restart, and we need to update Windows till the time it is telling us that there are no more updates, and there where we have to stop it. It is recommended we install all the updates required for this image so that we don't have to update it in the image itself. So let's stop it here. I'll pause my recording and I'll come back once all the updates are installed. So all the updates got installed and it is showing me restart now. So I'm going to click restart now. This will restart the VM and we'll check if any more updates got to be installed. So let's check it quickly, and if some more installation required, then we need to update that too. So as long as I said, all updates are not installed, we need to repeat it. So that's it. And here, then after that, we're going to install the Horizon agent. So that I have already downloaded from VMware site, Horizon site, the trial version, and we're going to install it. So let's see where the update is going. It's taking some time, so again I'll come back to show you where we are. I'll just pause the video here. All the updates installed, you see here you are up to date, and that means all my Windows updates got installed. Now let's follow the document here, and here installing the Horizon agent, how to install it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just download all the images into this VM so that it will be easier for me. I'll just create a folder here and called shared. So, and in that, well, I'll see if I can access I have kept in the AD server, I have kept some downloaded softwares. So I'll just show you, I have kept a shared folder here in the Active Directory just for this demo, and I'm going to, okay, I created it yesterday. Okay, it's not here. I believe I kept it in the Horizon connection server. Let me check there. Okay, so the C drive. Okay, this is the Horizon connection server. So okay, in the C drive, shared folder, right? Horizon connection server. Okay, I have not copied here, so let me see. Let me see if I need to update again. I believe I kept it. Okay. Well, I have my software. So let me do one thing. I'll update to this VMs. I'll so that I can access the shared folder here. I'll update. It will take some time to copy all those software here so that we can install locally rather than remotely. So I'll pause and come back.